everybody. Yeah, right, very good. Hey guys, today is Sunday. It's hurricane, all right? It's a hurricane day. Thank God did not hit ice, Long Island, all right? So that's good. So we have some rain, all right? But it's not that bad, all right? But guess what? Guess what, guys? I'm hungry. Yes, I'm hungry, all right? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make guess what? Chicken hot wings. Alright guys, chicken. Yes, look at this. Delicious. Yes. Alright, that's what I need to do this recipe. Alright, it's gonna taste delicious, guys. Alright, it's gonna taste delicious. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you what I have here. Alright, I have here half cup of white wine. I have 1 tablespoon of Old Bay. I have a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire, only 1/4 cup. Okay. I have here half cup of steak sauce. I have 1 cup of hot sauce. Hey guys, all right, you guys can use any hot sauce you want. All right, I'm using my favorite. All right, but you guys go ahead with anything you want. All right, I have here 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. I have 2 tablespoons of onion powder. All right, guys. I have here 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. I have here 1 teaspoon of paprika. All right, and I have 1 package of chicken bouillon. All right, guys, and also I have here 1 stick of melted butter. All right. Plus also I have here 5.5 pounds of chicken wings. Alright guys, the chicken wings looks good. Looks very good and I'm hungry. Let's start this. Alright, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna start with my teriyaki sauce. Hold on, sorry. Alright, very good. Teriyaki sauce. Here. This is my hot sauce. Alright. Alright guys. This is my hot sauce. It's looking good. Alright. Very good. See guys, the color and the flavor comes together, alright? Alright guys. Next I'm gonna use my steak sauce. Alright, very good. Steak sauce. Now my Worcestershire sauce. Alright, it's looking good. It smells good. And I'm hungry. Alright. Alright guys, now here my white white wine, right? So now I have here my butter, all right? I melted butter, 1 stick. Whoa, that looks good. It's looking good, guys. All right, this is my Old Bay. Very good. Boom. What is this? Paprika. This is my garlic powder. Right, get that good flavor, guys. All right, this is my onion powder. Right. Chicken bowl. Right, chicken bowl. Very good. Ooh, that's the color, guys, and the flavor comes together. Yes, that's right. All right, let's mix this. Guys, smell good. It's looking good. Right. So this I have to marinate at least 3 hours. All right, at least 3 hours. I'm gonna cook this in the oven. Right? Sometimes I like to do is I like to start to cook this in the barbecue. Halfway cooked, and I finish in the oven. But it's rainy outside, right? It's the hurricane, so I'm gonna make everything in the oven. Alright? So now it's time to pour this. Alright. Very good. It's looking good, guys. It's gonna be nice and spiced. If you guys don't like too much spice, just use less hot sauce, okay? But I love hot sauce, and my family like hot sauce too. So we are good. Right? Good, it's looking good. It's enough sauce to marinate, to bring this flavor together. That is well. Alright, okay. The rest is just oil. Okay, now I'm gonna cover. I have the big foil, but I can use sugar. Yeah, that's good. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna put in my refrigerator, all right, for 3 hours, all right, and I see you guys very soon. Yay, everybody! All right, very good. Time to check, guys. Has been 3 hours. All right, time to check. 3 hours marinated. Whoa! All right, guys. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this there. All right. All right. Looking good. You guys can see that. Beautiful. All right, very good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer. All right, you don't want too much sauce, okay? So get my oven is preheat for 400. All right, 400. Right. It's looking good. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, that's it. So this is gonna be good. It's good. Right? You guys can see that? You guys can see that? Looking good. Okay? You don't want to put too much. Right? But you see, if you need more, you just, alright? Put more. But right now, it's gonna be the way it is, and we go from there. Okay? I preheat my oven to 400. Right? A little bit more. So now it's time to put this baby in the oven. Guys, now to my oven. Alright. Very good. Close. And I see you guys a little bit. Hey everybody. Alright, very good. Time to check, guys. Has been in the stove for 1 hour. Alright guys, so time to check. Ooh, that smells good. That smells chicken wings. That's right, guys. Time to check. Oh. It's ready. It's ready, guys. So I don't need this. All right, it's cooked. All right, so now I'm gonna go back, put back there for half an hour. All right, to get crispy. All right, so, and I see you guys later. Hey guys, time to check. All right guys, this has been for 35 minutes. All right, 350. All right, let's check. It's looking good, guys. All right, it's looking good. It's looking very, very good. All right, so let me just paste a little bit. All right. It's looking good. Smell good. And I'm hungry. All right, guys, are you hungry? All right. All right. Very good. It's almost ready. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let cook for 5 more minutes, and I'll be right back. Hey guys! All right, guys. Okay, guys. All right. Show you the finished product. All right. Let's take a look. It's looking good. Looking very crispy and delicious. Guess what? Don't be afraid, guys. Don't be afraid. All right, guys. Now let's try. All right. One thing I want to tell you guys, I use 1 cup of hot sauce, right? Because I love hot sauce and my family love it. Hot sauce. All right. But if you guys want to try to do this, I recommend you guys do it with a half cup. All right, or even less, or even a quarter cup. Try and you see. All right. So I'll let you know. Okay. Ooh, looks good. Looks good, guys. Looks very good. All right. So this is, it's you guys all know, right? This is sour cream. All right, guys. You guys can use whatever you want. All right. So let's see it. Ooh. Ah, it smells so good, guys. I look forward to give this bite. All right. Oh, this is what I call chicken wings. All right, hot chicken wings. I'm making a mess, guys, but that's okay. Whoa. Sorry, guys, but this is melting my mouth, right? So let me get a napkin here. This is so delicious, guys. Wow. All right, very good. This was very good, guys. Very good. Hey, guys. You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.